Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make razor clam chowder. First, gather your ingredients, including about 2 pounds of fresh razor clams. Next, thoroughly clean the clams to remove any sand or grit. This step is crucial for a delicious chowder. Then, prepare your vegetables by dicing 1 large onion, 2 celery stalks, and 3 medium potatoes. These form the aromatic base for your flavorful chowder. Now, steam your cleaned razor clams until they open, then carefully remove and chop the clam meat. Don't forget to reserve that flavorful clam broth. It's essential for depth. Next, in a large pot, sauté about 4 slices of diced bacon until it's wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving the rendered fat, and then cook your diced onions and celery in that flavorful fat until softened. It's time to bring everything together. Pour the reserved clam broth into the pot with the softened vegetables. Add your diced potatoes and 2 cups of whole milk. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook until the potatoes are perfectly tender. Finally, stir in your chopped razor clams and 1 cup of rich, heavy cream, warming it through without boiling. For the grand finale, season your razor clam chowder generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of fresh thyme to taste. Give it a final gentle stir. Ladle the hot chowder into bowls, garnishing each serving with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a dash of paprika for color. It's ready to enjoy. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.